This is a tutorial on how to use Adobe Spark. It will be useful for when you're making your production journal, and it's also useful as a video editing tool as well. So firstly, we're going to have a look at how you use it to create an online production journal. First of all, you go to spark.adobe.com or just Google Adobe Spark, and it'll ask you for a login. So you come up here to the top right hand corner and you click on Start Now for free, and it will take you to a sign-on page. You can sign on with Google, Facebook, your own email or school email, or if you already have an Adobe ID. I'm going to log in with my Adobe ID because I already have one. And it will take me to my dashboard. Now, you might not have a dashboard yet because you haven't used anything yet, but you can see a couple of things that I've created already here in Spark. When you're ready to go, you click on the button there and you get this page. Now, this might actually be the page that you get when you first sign on. Now, you can design pretty much anything you want in Adobe Spark. You can make flyers, advertisements, invitations, slideshows. You're looking more for this one here, the photo journal. So when you click on the photo journal, it will design the template for you. And it's a little bit like PowerPoint in the sense that you've really just got to add the content and it will make it look good for you. So in this case, I'm going to add a title. I'm going to call it Film Journal, and I'm going to give it a subtitle, Year 9 Task. Now, it's looking a bit bland at the moment because there's nothing behind it. So if I click on this little button at the bottom here, it gives you an opportunity to put photo in. Now, when you have a look here, you can upload your own photos, or you can find free photos. I'm going to go to Adobe Stock because there's a fair bit there, and I'm going to type in something that's relevant. So film making. And I'll pick something that's fairly relevant and aesthetically pleasing at the same time. So I'll go with this first one. It will load it in for you. Again, a lot like Photoshop, PowerPoint. And now we're ready to begin. Now when you scroll down, it will start to give you options. And you'll see this button here. I'm going to add a little bit of an introduction. So just for the sake of this, I'll say, welcome to my group's film journal. Hope you enjoy. Now you'll see more buttons underneath here. So if I hit enter, it assumes that I want to make a new paragraph. It will start a new line. Here is my inspiration. Now, if I click on the button, it'll give me my options again. This time I might want to add a video. Now let's say I want to add a video that shows me what inspires me to make the story that I want to make. So I might go to YouTube and I might grab something about camera techniques, something that I've learnt in class. I copy the URL and in Spark put the URL in there, hit save, and it will appear. So you can see there that it's starting to take shape. Got your title, you scroll down, there's a little bit of movement and things to it. You can add text, you can add video, and you see here that you can add slideshows, photo grids, etc. And when you're ready to share it with your teacher, or if you're working with your group and you're hoping that they can add things to it as well, you come up here to the share button. And you can click on that and you get some options there, and you pick a category. So in this case, education, and you can create a link. Now anyone who gets that link will be able to have a look at your Spark. And you just have to copy that link to send to people. Okay. You can change your themes up in the corner here. I might give it a bit more of a vintage feel. And it hasn't really changed a great deal, but some of the themes do change colour schemes and fonts and things. That's about it. Have fun using that, and my next video will be to show you how to use the video editor. Thank you.